Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making homemade burger buns, mayonnaise, ketchup from scratch. Milk 1/4 cup, dry yeast 30 grams, salt half tablespoon, sugar 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Water 1/4 cup. Mix. Wheat flour 1 cup. Mix everything. Oil 2 tablespoon. Make a dough. Cover and rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take small size dough. Make shape like this. Rest for 1 hour. In a baking tray, place the dough. Apply milk on top, sesame seeds on top. Rest for 1 hour. Bake for 10 minutes on 170 degrees. Buns are baking. Meanwhile, we start the mayonnaise and ketchup process. Preservatives phrase egg 1, pepper 1 tablespoon, salt half tablespoon, garlic 1, oil 3 tablespoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Mix, blend for 10 minutes. I'm using hand blender, you can use mixer as well. Now it's ready. Transfer to a serving bowl. Ketchup recipe. Tomatoes 2. Boil for 10 minutes. Peel the skin. Little bit of work, we can make preservative free recipes in home. Transfer to a blender. Make a fine paste. Transfer to saucepan. Salt 1 tablespoon, sugar 1 tablespoon. Cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Perfect consistency. Transfer to a serving bowl. You can use for burgers, sandwiches, anything. You guys can store ketchup for 3 months in refrigerator, mayonnaise for 1 week. Mostly you can use within 1 day. Our buns are ready to serve. Let's assemble the bun. Cut the buns like this with the help of knife. homemade mayonnaise on top, homemade fresh ketchup, lettuce, homemade patties. It's in my recipe. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. Yummy homemade product is better than market stuff. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.